Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to solve simple probability problem. And here's a problem: a special die is made in the shape of icosahedron and its faces are numbered with the numbers 1 to 20. When the die is thrown, there is an equal chance of any face landing uppermost. If the die is thrown once, what is the probability that the face that it lands uppermost has the number that is a factor of 20. What are the factors of the number 20? For example, we can multiply 1 and 20, and we are going to get 20. So number 1 and 20 are going to be factors of 20. We also can multiply, for example, 2 and 10, and we are going to get 20. So number 2 and 10 also factors of the number 20. We also can get 20 by multiplying 4 and 5. So also these numbers are factors of the 20. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers which are factors of 20. So our probability is going to be 6 out of 20, which is total number of surfaces. But if you check, we are not going to have such an answer here, so we can reduce both numerator and denominator by 2, and we are going to get 3 over 10. And as you see, this is answer C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.